Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay, here is the stamp set, Season of Joy. You can see that it is already loved, and I'm super excited to share it with you tonight. There's the stamp set Season of Joy, and we also have a coordinating die set for Season of Joy. You can see all of the dies. I have put mine on a little magnetic backer so that I wouldn't lose any this time. And I also have an add-on coloring stencil that has some extra elements on it for you to create some pattern backgrounds. And I will dive into that and show you all of those details. But first, let's take a look at the stamp set, and I'll walk through all of the pieces. So the hero image and the highlight piece for Season of Joy is that this stamp set is going to take you through the holiday season and into the winter, because I have this really fun, I have a lot of fun elements here. I've got this ice skate element, and it's a really pretty large element. So I've got this little piece right here to kind of show you how large that is. And we'll take a look at that in context with the A2 size card as well. I've got some really fun leafery to go along with the poinsettia pieces. So yes, these do look like poinsettias. We have a large and a medium, and then one that doesn't have the inner detail, but I've also provided that detail separately so you could do some two-step stamping or use this as its own graphic element. And I've done that, and I'm going to show that to you in a little bit. I've got a really fun star element to kind of create a little bit of magic for the holiday season, and this really fun bow where you can tie these two pieces together onto your card. And then I've got a variety of sentiments here because we have a lot of stamp sets coming out tonight with lots of options for holiday season sentiments. So I wanted to make sure I added some things in there that could really work for winter as well. So we've got warm winter wishes, peace, and joy. Joy's got this graphic graphic snowflake-like element in the middle of it. And then I have a season of that's kind of separate, that is separate. So you could do a season of peace or a season of joy. So super fun elements in this stamp set that work alone, that work in conjunction with all of my other stamps in my collection. And as we move into the holiday season, I've been saying this all along, my stamp sets that have been releasing this year are all going to kind of work with some holiday themes that I have planned along with the stamp set. Okay, let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration for Season of Joy. I have a lot of inspiration to share with you tonight. Okay, let's start off with this card. Super, super fun. Using the skate elements, I've also used the coordinating stencil to go along with coloring in the skates. So the skates are wide open. So it gives you line art images. So it gives you lots of opportunity to use your favorite color mediums, mine is watercolor, to color in these elements. And I like to do a mix of watercolor and using the stencil. So the stencil's really, really good for coloring in the skates, especially if you really like that kind of blended technique. Loving that. Really simple. Here's that bow that kind of pulls the two skates together to the top of the card. Love it. Here's another example of the skates. And this time I used that star-like background, that wintry, Nordic-looking star-like background, and kind of stenciled that in behind the skates and use those cute little stars just to add a little magic to it. Love that. Okay. This card might be my favorite, but I know I'm going to say it about another card. So I'm really, really loving the option with this whole collection of Season of Joy for you to stamp the poinsettia or for you to use the poinsettia's coloring stencils, and they coordinate together. They're the same size, so you can use the same die to either cut the stencil element or cut the actual stamp element. So I really like that combination of stenciled embellishments and stamped embellishments to kind of pull this little magical poinsettia piece together. And there's that piece. Now, all of the sentiments also have a coordinating die to cut them out, and you'll see like a little mashup of me doing that with these cards and also stamping the sentiments down right on the card. Okay, this is the card I was talking about that I think might be my favorite. I know I'm going to say it about probably 2 more cards. I just had so much fun with this stamp set and the level of versatility that's built in here. Okay, so with this card, I used the stencil element and did this kind of poinsettia spray and added some of the stamp elements and nested a Season of Peace together to create this really, really bright, vibrant, but easygoing pattern card. Okay, again, I'm going to say that this one might be my favorite too. Now, this is super fun, and I wanted to give you an example of how you can use these skates in that wide open stamp. You've got lots of opportunity to do some coloring. So I did a little bit of watercolor, added a little tiny bit of frosty-like embellishment here. Used the stars from the Gina K line, not the stars, the snowflakes, just to kind of give this that whole wintry look to it. And added, excuse me, added those 2 poinsettias right at the top just to kind of make this super fun. Okay, here's a really fun holiday-inspired spray with the poinsettias, but just kind of changing up that color combination a little bit. This is kind of one of those sentiment-free cards that you could open up and put the sentiment on the inside. But think about this card combination and this look and feel with other colors. Like you could easily make this in a fall color combination. And I'm going to be sharing some of those options with this stamp set in some upcoming tutorials about how you can really change your color options and also mashing this up with other stamp sets so that you can get different looks. So yes, we all love our holiday themes, but we can really stretch our stamp sets a little bit further by changing up the color combinations. So I'm really, really loving this. And I love this kind of cherry red matched up with turquoise and just these beautiful greens. Love it. Okay, I had to do it. I had to make a wreath-like element using the leafery. And then here's that A Season of Joy. I really love taking sentiments and adding a little graphic element to the center just to give it a little touch of whimsy. And it's just super fun. This is just a really fun card. Also mashing up using the stamps with the stencil elements so you can get a couple different ideas. You could easily do these 2 poinsettia embellishments with the stamps as well. Love that versatility. Okay. Yeesh. This one might be my favorite too. This one might be my favorite as well. I really love the idea of designing these stencils and adding extra pattern background elements for you to stencil in if you like to, just to give that card an extra level of texture and dimension without all the height. And then we've got some of the stamped embellishments and some of the stenciled embellishments right on the card with A Season of Peace, taking those 2 sentiments and blending them together to create one whole sentiment. Okay, super fun. I had to create a tag. Just again, another beautiful poinsettia spray. Just a super fun tag. I've just been having fun creating some tags, inspired by Debbie and all the beautiful tags that she creates. I just love that. Okay, let's take a look. As always, I wanted to share that I have a brand new Season of Joy card idea sheet. There's 8 card ideas I have one of these every month for all of the stamp set release. You can find this for free as a download in the Gina K Designs Facebook group. You can also head on over to my website at indigojadeart.com, click on freebies, and you will see all 63 of my stamp sets that have been released with Gina K and all of the card idea sheets. So if you have something in your collection from me in the past and you're missing a card idea sheet, they're over there. You can have access to them. Also, as part of the card idea sheet is the coordinating stencil guide. So in the coordinating stencil guide, it's 3 pages. I show you all of the different elements of the stencil. Need to clean mine. And how the stamp and then the stencil piece works, and then the combination. So it just gives you that little cheat sheet, stamp, stencil, combination. Also remember, this stamp goes with the other poinsettia stamp right here, so you can do a 2-step stamping as well. So super fun. And the 3rd page are some of the standalone stencil pattern builders. So I've got this piece right here, this kind of Nordic star, and it is a repeat pattern. So you can layer it together and create some repeat patterns across your card. And then here is the star element, and then here is one of the poinsettias, the small poinsettias. Okay, friends, let's take another look at the stamp set. A Season of Joy is available now at GinaKDesigns.com in the What's New section. You have the option for this stamp set and the die set, the Season of Joy die set. You can get both at GinaKDesigns.com, and you also have the option to get the Season of Joy coordinating coloring stencil. So yes. Okay, friends, thanks so much for inviting me into your homes tonight. Tonight's release party is super fun. Holiday and winter release party. You're going to have so much fun. Sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the show. I will be going live this Thursday at 11:30 with a brand new card tutorial using Season of Joy and talking a little bit about some of the things that I've planned in through the holiday season. I don't want to forget our autumn cards and projects along with our holiday projects. Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining me tonight, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much. Bye.